Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're aiming for a 90 score in PTE speaking, you're in the right place. I'm Alex, and I scored a 90 in PTE speaking on my second try, so I'm super excited to share the strategies that helped me crush it. Today, I'm breaking down 4 practical, game-changing tips to boost your fluency, pronunciation, and confidence in the PTE speaking section. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear plan to ace those tricky tasks. So grab a notebook, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. First up, let's talk about fluency and pacing, because the PTE algorithm loves smooth, natural speech. For tasks like read aloud or repeat sentence, you need to sound confident without long pauses or filler words like or When I was prepping, I recorded myself practicing these tasks and listened back to catch awkward pauses. It was cringy at first, but it helped me sound polished. My tip? Practice speaking for 30 seconds about random topics, like your favorite movie, without stopping. For read aloud, grab any article and practice reading it clearly in 35 seconds, focusing on steady pacing. Try this daily, and you'll notice your fluency skyrocket, which is key to hitting that 90. Next, pronunciation is a massive deal in PTE speaking. The computer scores you on how clearly you articulate words, so every syllable counts. I struggled with this until I started mimicking native speakers. Watch short YouTube clips or TED Talks and repeat sentences exactly as they say them. Copy their stress and intonation. For example, in describe image, emphasize key words like significant or increase to sound clear. I also used apps like Elsa Speak to practice tricky sounds like theesh or r. A fun trick: read tongue twisters like she sells seashells out loud to improve clarity. Record yourself and compare it to a native speaker. Trust me, this builds muscle memory for perfect pronunciation. Now, let's tackle task-specific strategies, because each PTE speaking task needs a different approach. For describe image, use a simple template. This image shows, it highlights, and practice with random graphs or pictures online, aiming for 25-30 seconds of clear description. For retell lecture, listen to a 1-minute podcast clip, jot down 3-4 key points, and summarize it in 40 seconds. I did this with BBC podcasts daily, and it helped me nail the task. Repeat sentence is all about memory. Cover the screen after hearing the sentence, repeat it, then check if you got it right. Practice these tasks using free PTE mock tests online to get comfortable with the format. Finally, stay calm and simulate the test environment. The PTE speaking section can feel chaotic in the test center, with everyone talking at once. To prep, I practiced in a noisy place like a cafe to get used to distractions. On test day, take a deep breath before each task and focus on the screen. If you mess up one task, don't panic. It's just one part of the score. Another tip: practice with a microphone headset at home to mimic the test setup. I also visualized myself speaking confidently before the exam, which boosted my mindset. And don't skip sleep the night before. A clear head makes a huge difference. All right, let's wrap it up. To score a 90 in PTE speaking, focus on fluency and pacing, nail your pronunciation, use task-specific strategies, and practice in a realistic environment while staying calm. Start applying these tips today, and you'll be amazed at your progress. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more PTE tips, and share it with your study crew. Drop a comment below which speaking task is toughest for you, and check out my PTE writing tips video next for more 90 score strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. PTE speaking templates, IELTS speaking tips.